y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I'm super excited because this is the Archer and Olive subscription box for June, and I cannot wait to dive in because it's all a surprise. If you want to know what's inside, then stay tuned. If you are waiting for your subscription box and avoiding all of the unboxings, then make sure you close this video now. All right, let's go. Okay, this is a huge box. I love the sage green and the embossing, all of the details, so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I cannot wait to just dive in. So this is called Ethereal Desert or Desert, and it's kind of a mix between the two. And yes, they wanted you to kind of play between a desert and a dessert. This is the preview of what's in the box, but I can't wait. I just want to kind of see what's in it. And the first thing that I'm noticing is this cover, you guys. I didn't even know Archer and Olive made covers. So this is for an A5 notebook. Let me grab one. I bet there's one in here, but for instance, this is my one from Amy Tangerine. And so you can have your notebook, you can just put it right in there and it'll stay all nice and snug. And then you have a beautiful cover with that gorgeous floral and the cream. I kind of dig that it's cream because I feel like it won't get as dirty. So that's just my idea. So love the cover. That is super exciting. So you have the cover. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, I feel like I'm going to save the journals for last. We're going to see what else we have. Here are a set of 3 binder clips, which I love. These are great if you are journaling. You end up using these a lot to hold your pages back, and look at the moons and stars, and then there's like a snake and a butterfly and a dragonfly. So adorable. I love this color scheme. And then this brown copper with the florals on it. So beautiful. This is giving me like desert vibes for sure. I feel like if I were from Arizona, I would need this box in my life. I need this box in my life, and I'm from Virginia. So there you go. Maybe we all just need this box in our life. Here's washi tape. Oh, you guys. So Paper Person, Archer and Olive has some gorgeous washi tape, you guys. And I didn't even know before I started looking at their journals, but their washi tape is such a good quality. I love it. Look at this one with the purple. Stop it. That is such a fun color scheme. I feel like it would actually be super fun to save for fall, maybe late summer. Let's check out this one. Let's roll this one out. Look at what the cacti in there. How adorable. And the foil. Always I'm like team foil. I love the metallics. I know there are some people that don't like it because it's hard to photograph, but I'm all about it. Look at how pretty. It's so, so good. Okay, I love it. I don't want to waste any of it. This will turn into some gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous spreads. Now I use my Archer and Olive journal. Look at this one. I use mine for creative journaling, usually morning journaling. I have one that's a collage journal that I haven't shown on my YouTube yet because it's kind of just a fun one in the works. And all of these little pieces are just fun to include. Okay. Let's see what else. I saw a couple other things hiding in here. A ruler stencil. There is a rainbow. I'm already obsessed. Look at, oh, you guys, stop it with the lines. Are you kidding me? If you are a fan of my channel, then you know I do memory planning and I do lines all the time. I need those. I love the rainbow. Here are the smaller lines. They look like it will fit in a box perfectly. I love it, plus the ruler. Now it looks like there might be like plastic coating on this. I'd have to scratch at it and see. I feel like there's a plastic covering on one side of it. So I'll investigate that a little bit more, but this is super handy, super useful. Let's see what's in here. sticky notes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. If you're a bullet journaler, a planner, how beautiful are those? I just love the little container too. That will just like slip right into my planner. If you are using one of these covers, that's handy too. I mean, you can just slip it right in. You could just put it right here and have it ready to go. That is adorable. Okay. Love the sticky notes. Pens, Acrylograph pens. I'm so excited. You guys know I love some Acrylographs. Stop it. Look at those colors. Look at that purple and that orange. Those are so stinking beautiful. It's the color scheme this time that has my heart. I think it is so beautiful. So pretty. I cannot wait to play. So you get 5 Acrylographs. I love it, love it, love it. And then you guys, there are 2 journals and one other goodie in here. Let me pull out. Oh, that's big. All right, hold up. Let me pull this out and move this off to the side. There is so much, and this is a big box. That's a lot in this box. Okay, this is the pen, the enamel pen. It is big and heavy, you guys. That's probably a couple inches. I love it with the cactus and the florals. That is beautiful. And let's check out what our journals are. So I'm just going to take the plastic covering off. What I love about the subscription boxes is it's always a surprise. So I love finding out. I have done a really good job of avoiding any of the sneak peeks. So let's see what we got in our first journal. It's purple. It's purple and craft paper. And I'm obsessed with the color because purple. This is like a faux leather feel, very soft. You have the mountains, and then it looks like it is all craft paper. So I find craft paper challenging, that's for sure, but I think it'll be fun. This is called a sketchbook, a sketch pad. Craft sketchbook. So I think this actually would be really good for sketching. I could get behind some sketching on some craft paper. That is so pretty. And the color, you guys, and just really good quality. Like always with Archer and Olive, the best quality on all of their supplies. And then let's see, this one looks square shaped. Let me grab my scissors and we will unbox and see what we have. I definitely didn't have a craft paper journal, so that's pretty exciting. What I like about the subscription boxes is that it kind of encourages you to try some things you might not have normally tried from Archer and Olive. Look. Guys, this is a notepad with the dark blue and the green. That is pretty. And this is like a black, I'm guessing faux leather. So pretty. And then it looks like, yeah, you could just tear a piece off. And I wonder how these compare to, I bet these will go over your pages in your journal. Look at those colors. So fun. Okay, so we got 2 journals, or a notepad and a journal. We have the journal cover. We have a beautiful enamel pen, 5 Acrylograph markers, sticky notes, binder clips, washi tape, a stencil, tons and tons and tons of goodies. I am obsessed. I love the Archer and Olive subscription box. It is a splurge for me. It's something I look forward to though. It comes quarterly, so not every month. That would be a lot of journals every month. It comes quarterly. So it's just a fun little surprise. I love the theme. I love the quality of the products. I'm pretty pumped about it. So that is the subscription box. Let me know below what you think of this particular subscription box. Let me know what you think of the journals. I would love to hear your opinions. Let me know if you have ordered the subscription box and if yours has arrived and if you are as excited as I am. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. A huge shout out to my YouTube members. You guys are awesome. We are having so much fun in our YouTube community. If you are interested in finding out more about YouTube membership and what it means and the kind of perks you can get, then make sure that you click the link in the description box or click the join button if you see that on your desktop computer. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.